Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will explore Microsoft in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please remember that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 9th of August, 2024, our system has categorized Microsoft as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.93. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a broad and horizontal trend in the short term. Generally, this may present a favorable buying opportunity. However, if there is a breakdown below the bottom trend line at $395.20, it will signal a strong sell and indicate a possible shift in the trend. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 0.155% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from negative 2.51% to positive 15.41%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a 38.07% change over the next year, with a potential return between 35.09% and 63.48%. This would mean a price range between $548.49 to $663.78 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Microsoft includes the headline: Microsoft stock upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after Friday trading session. The Microsoft stock price gained 0.83% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, rising from $402.69 to $406.02. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.43%, moving from a low of $402.26 to a high of $408.02. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 of those days and is down by 4.53% overall. The trading volume decreased by 2 million shares on the last day, with a total of 17 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $6.91 billion. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices could indicate a divergence, potentially serving as an early warning for changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $468.35, while the lowest was $309.45. Currently, the price is 13.31%, or $62.33, below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft Corporation has recently found itself in the spotlight due to significant developments that could influence its stock in both the short and long term. One notable concern is the ongoing investigation by the Shaw law firm, which is examining potential violations of securities laws by Microsoft. If this investigation uncovers any wrongdoing, it could result in regulatory penalties or a decline in investor confidence, placing pressure on the stock price in the near future. On the other hand, Microsoft is well positioned to capitalize on positive trends in artificial intelligence and cloud computing. Industry experts, including David Harden from Summit Global Investments, believe that Microsoft has a substantial opportunity to monetize AI technologies. The company's Azure platform is experiencing remarkable growth, which could strengthen its competitive position against rivals such as Amazon. Additionally, a transformative partnership with Palantir Technologies aims to develop AI and analytics capabilities for the United States defense sector, further highlighting Microsoft's strategic focus on secure cloud services. This collaboration is anticipated to drive long-term revenue growth and enhance Microsoft's value proposition in an increasingly data-driven world. In summary, while the investigation presents a short-term risk, Microsoft's strategic investments and partnerships in artificial intelligence and cloud computing are likely to support a positive outlook, making it an intriguing option for investors navigating the technology landscape. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned Microsoft a buy grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Oppenheimer assigned Microsoft an outperform grade, accompanied by a hold action. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Microsoft an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned Microsoft an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 31st of July, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned Microsoft an overweight grade alongside a hold action. Analysts have assigned Microsoft stock a general neutral rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Microsoft stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a broader sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative outlook. Should the stock see further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $437.87. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $403.93. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative sentiment. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, August 5th, 2024, and thus far, the stock has risen by 2.75%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $399.61. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with good trading volume, the associated risk is considered medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $5.76 between its high and low, which is a change of 1.43%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 2.38%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively typical, frequently observed in companies with established track records or stable revenue streams. Additionally, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 22nd of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at $3.09. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $415.13. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft encounters its first support level at $399.61. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of July, 2024, Jala Alice L. executed an insider sale of 177,469 shares of common stock. On the 7th of June, 2024, Walmsley Emma N. made an insider purchase of 234 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Rodriguez Carlos A. conducted an insider purchase of 5,369 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Pritzker Penny S. executed an insider purchase of 20,894 shares of restricted stock units. On the 13th of June, 2024, Peterson Sandra E. made an insider purchase of 40,358 shares of restricted stock units. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 82.837. Overall, insiders purchased 14,177 shares and sold 204,299 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $382.94, reflecting a decrease of 5.68%. This stock experiences moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom that was established 25 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Microsoft presents several positive indicators. However, we believe these are not sufficient to recommend it as a buying opportunity. At this time, it should be viewed as a hold or accumulate option while we monitor further developments. Our analysis has been upgraded from a sell rating to a hold or accumulate recommendation since the last evaluation. Following our examination of the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 12th of August, we anticipate that Microsoft will open lower by approximately 58 cents and begin trading at $405.43. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before you decide to buy or sell any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.